Number 1. To start, we present the 1965 Ford Ranchero, a true classic project truck located in Stockton, California. With its distinctive car truck hybrid style, this Ranchero comes equipped with a durable gas engine and a manual transmission, embodying the rugged, reliable performance that Ford's Ranchero lineup was known for. With an odometer reading of 123,456 miles and a clean title, this vehicle currently runs, drives, and stops, making it an excellent foundation for a full restoration. For $3,250, this Ranchero offers a chance for classic truck enthusiasts to bring an iconic piece of automotive history back to life with customizations that pay homage to its unique design. More details can be found in the description. Number 2. Next, we find the 1972 Buick Skylark, located in Marathon, Ohio, a vehicle ready to shine with the right restoration touches. This Skylark's rear-wheel drive layout is powered by an 8-cylinder gas engine, giving it the power and torque that made Buick sedans a favorite in the 1970s. With 70,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, it features an automatic transmission that delivers a smooth driving experience. Painted in a classic green, this $3,500 Skylark retains its appeal as a vintage American icon, ready for someone to restore it to its former glory. Additional details are available in the description. Number 3. Coming up next, we showcase the 1973 Ford Gran Torino, located in Willow Glen, California. This vintage beauty features a numbers-matching 302 motor in an 8-cylinder configuration and rear-wheel drive, representing Ford's dedication to performance. With 70,000 miles on the odometer, this Gran Torino is a project car that's running well and registered with a clean title. Its automatic transmission offers a comfortable drive, making this $4,500 Gran Torino an appealing opportunity for classic car enthusiasts ready to invest in a stylish American project with great potential. Find more details in the description. Number 4. Next is the 1966 AMC Rambler Classic 550, a well-preserved classic sedan located in Parma, Ohio. With only 19,000 original miles on its 6-cylinder 232 CI engine, this blue beauty is in great condition with a clean title. This Rambler is equipped with torque thrust rims that add a unique flair, although minor adjustments are needed, such as radio wiring and wiper motor repairs. Known for its smooth highway handling, this $4,500 Rambler offers a fantastic find for collectors who appreciate the simplicity and charm of a vintage sedan. Further details are provided in the description. Number 5. Moving forward, we find the 1961 Chevrolet Belair, a well-maintained four-door classic located in Hastings, Minnesota. This Belair has covered just 42,556 miles and boasts a 283 motor paired with an automatic transmission, along with recent updates like a new radiator and battery box. With collector plates and a clean title, this vehicle is road-ready and drives excellently, offering a wonderful opportunity for someone looking to add a true classic to their collection. Priced at $4,500, this Belair holds a timeless appeal. Check the description for more information. Number 6. Here we introduce the 1963 Studebaker Gran Turismo Hawk, a rare classic located in Litchfield Park, Arizona. This vehicle, almost complete and ready for restoration, is powered by an original 289 V8 engine with a 3-speed column shift and overdrive. The Hawk runs and drives, and with a clean title, it offers a strong foundation for either a full restoration or a unique rat rod build. For $4,000, this Gran Turismo Hawk provides a piece of American automotive history with endless potential for creativity and customization. More details are available in the description. Number 7. Next in our lineup is the 1974 Chevrolet C-Torino 454, location unknown. This classic pickup is built as a camper special and powered by a mighty 454 engine, enhanced with headers, a high-rise intake, and a Holley carburetor. It's paired with a TH400 transmission, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty needs or customization projects. The truck includes a new exhaust, fresh tires, windows, and a trailer hitch, though it requires some rust repair to bring it back to top form. Priced at $4,500, this C20 is a solid option for those who want to restore or convert it into a vintage workhorse. Further information is available in the description. Number 8. Here we print the luxurious 1979 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, located in Danielson, Connecticut. With 86,754 miles on the clock, this Eldorado is still running strong, showcasing Cadillac's commitment to performance and luxury. In excellent condition, it features only minor rust spots on the trunk lid, an automatic transmission, and a clean title, making it road-ready. Priced at $4,500, this Eldorado would be a splendid addition for any classic car collector who values comfort and timeless style. For more information, see the description. Number 9. Up next, we feature the 1972 Mercedes-Benz 220, located in Auburn, Enumclaw, Washington. A well-maintained family classic, this Mercedes-Benz runs on a 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 56,987 miles, it has been garage-kept since 1973, preserving its condition. Although it has some rust near the rear wheel wells and minor trunk lid damage, this vintage sedan remains roadworthy and represents Mercedes-Benz's commitment to quality and design. Priced at $4,000, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to own a piece of European automotive legacy. Additional details are in the description. Number 10. Next, we present the 1974 Datsun 280ZX, a classic hatchback located in San Bernardino, California. This car is powered by a 2.8-liter engine with a 5-speed manual transmission, making it a joy for driving enthusiasts who appreciate classic Japanese engineering. With 76,432 miles, this Datsun is a strong runner, though it could use a new paint job to restore its exterior appeal. Priced at $3,900, this Datsun 280ZX provides an exciting project for those looking to revive or personalize a vintage Datsun with iconic styling and performance. Further details are available in the description. Number 11. This is a 1956 Cadillac Series 60 sedan, located in Enterprise. This Cadillac is a true find for those passionate about restoring iconic luxury vehicles or looking for authentic parts. While it is in salvage condition, the car retains original window glass, trim work, and bumpers, making it a rich source of rare vintage components. However, it does not include an engine or transmission, and the interior, including seats, carpet, door panels, dashboard, and headliner, requires a complete overhaul. According to the Old Car Price Guide, a fully restored model of this classic can be valued between $26,000 to $38,000, though it is priced at $800 as a parts vehicle. This Cadillac is ideal for the skilled restorer ready to tackle a rewarding venture in reviving a vintage luxury icon. A trailer will be necessary for transportation. For more information, please see the description. Number 12 next, we feature a unique 1966 Ford Thunderbird, located in Northeast Philly. This Thunderbird offers a distinctive rat rod aesthetic, standing out with its classic lines and character. With only 55,000 original miles and over 30 years of garage-kept history, this car has a solid foundation but is in need of restoration. The engine runs and drives, though it could benefit from a radiator replacement and a tune-up to reach its peak performance. Recent updates include a new starter, and the tires and interior are in respectable condition. Priced at $4,200, this Thunderbird is perfect for an enthusiast looking for a vintage project with the potential to transform into a true classic. Additional details can be found in the description. Number 13. Here we find a 1967 Volvo 122S Amazon in dark green, located in Bernal Heights, California. This stylish classic features the reliable B18 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, providing the smooth, engaging drive that Volvo enthusiasts admire. Over the past 4 years, this Volvo has undergone extensive restoration, including work on the carburetors, clutch, suspension, and electrical systems. It drives beautifully and remains in excellent mechanical condition, though there are minor rust spots visible on the body, a small price to pay for a vehicle with such timeless appeal. At $4,600, this Volvo 122S offers the rare combination of reliability and vintage charm, ideal for anyone looking to own a classic with enduring performance. Further information is provided in the description. Number 14, we move to a rugged 1977 Chevrolet pickup, situated in Toledo. This long bed pickup, family-owned for over 20 years, is equipped with a sturdy 8-cylinder engine. A new carburetor, installed 4 years ago, has kept this truck running smoothly, although it does show some rust typical of its age. The truck is otherwise in decent condition and comes with a clean title, making it a reliable option for someone who appreciates the durability and straightforward design of vintage Chevy trucks. Priced at $3,000, it's a solid choice for those seeking a classic pickup with a history of care and potential for light restoration. More details are available in the description. Number 15. Next is a 1979 Ford Thunderbird in Pueblo, a true barn find with a powerful 5.8-liter 351 engine that still runs smoothly. This Thunderbird features dual exhaust and a 9-inch Ford rear end, providing a robust base for someone interested in restoring or modifying it. Though the brakes need a simple bleed, the car's solid frame and smooth-running engine make it an appealing project vehicle. Priced at $2,000, it's an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking to revive a classic cruiser or even as a donor car for parts. Further details can be found in the description. Number 16. A collector's dream, this 1968 Buick 442 convertible, located in Spanish Fork, Utah, stands as an example of classic American muscle with style and power. Featuring a powerful 400 CI engine, this car has an immaculate interior free from tears or smoke, offering an inviting and well-preserved cabin space. It includes original documents and a replacement convertible top, though it does have minor rust and could use a new paint job. The structure remains sound, with no frame or floorboard issues. Priced at $3,500, this Buick 442 is ideal for collectors and restorers looking for a solid base with considerable potential. See the description for more details. Here we find a beautifully preserved 1974 Dodge Dart Swinger in Rocklin. This model comes with all original paint and interior, featuring a classic 318 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. Remarkably rust-free and with a clean title, it is in excellent running condition. While the AC requires servicing, this Dodge retains matching numbers, making it a valuable find for any vintage car enthusiast. Priced at $3,900, it's a standout choice for someone seeking an original Dodge with history and reliability. More information is available in the description. Number 18. We bring you a 1973 Dodge D200 heavy-duty pickup located in Dripping Springs with only 81,000 miles on the odometer. This truck is powered by a formidable 400 cubic inch engine and retains its original interior, showcasing the classic appeal of Dodge pickups. The carburetor has been rebuilt with an Edelbrock upgrade, improving performance. While it does show some rust and requires a transmission rebuild, this $3,400 truck provides an excellent project base for those interested in restoring a durable vintage Dodge. Additional details can be found in the description. Number 19. Presenting a rare opportunity for collectors, this all-original 1962 Dodge Custom 880, located in Pittman, has only 50,804 miles and has been carefully garage kept by its second owner. It includes original documents, oil change records, and the original pink slip, offering a piece of automotive history with every detail preserved. This car is currently being sold through auction, and the listed price of $2,750 reflects the current bid, presenting a fantastic chance for collectors interested in pristine vintage Dodge models. More details can be found in the description. Number 20. Here we find a 1965 Dodge D200, a unique project truck whose location is unknown. Sitting on a 1993 Dodge Dakota frame, this truck features a 5.2-liter Magnum engine, blending classic Dodge aesthetics with modern functionality. With military history, it displays partially welded roof light holes and a bed sourced from a 1968 to 71 Dodge, giving it a distinct look with customization potential. Priced at $1,500, this D200 is perfect for those looking to restore or reimagine a classic truck with a rich history and rugged charm. Further information can be found in the description. Number 21. With a robust 1973 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe, located in Redding, California, this long bed 4x4 pickup truck is a powerful choice for a classic car enthusiast seeking a restoration project. Equipped with a 350 engine and automatic TH350 transmission, this K20 also features a 205 part-time transfer case, giving it a serious edge in both off-road and hauling capabilities. With 90,000 original miles, the truck remains in a solid mechanical condition, but has been parked since 2014, meaning it will need some attention to be road ready. Though currently not suitable for driving on the road and will need to be trailered, it shows only minor rust, with rockers and floors that remain solid. Priced at $3,900, this classic has a clean California title under a non-op registration, meaning no smog checks are required, making it a standout choice for a restoration enthusiast ready to bring this rugged beauty back to life. More details can be found in the description. Number 22. Next, we present a 1967 Ford Mustang, a project-ready classic located in Ventura, California. This Mustang, one of America's most cherished models, is equipped with a strong inline-six engine paired with its original manual transmission. Sporting a striking blue exterior, the car maintains a clean look, although it does require restoration work. There is rust on the floorboards and passenger rear quarter, which are common trouble spots in vintage models. Inside, the interior is complete but in need of a full refresh, and the driver's door remains locked, awaiting some attention to get it open. With a clean Arizona title, this $4,500 Mustang is an excellent choice for someone eager to restore a piece of automotive history. Check the description for additional details. Number 23. We now feature a charming piece of American automotive history, a 1959 Ford F-100 pickup truck located in Orangevale, California. Equipped with a manual transmission featuring the nostalgic 3-on-the-tree shifter, this F-100 runs and drives, though it requires a rear brake line replacement for safe road operation. With an odometer reading of 85,000 miles, the truck has a solid, mostly rust-free body, making it an excellent base for a full restoration or even as a unique vintage daily driver. Inside, the seat is in good condition, and the vehicle comes with clean title documentation. Priced at $2,800, with delivery options available for an additional cost, this classic F-100 is a solid pick for anyone looking to restore or customize an American classic. See the description for further information. Number 24. Here we find a 1972 Dodge Polara Custom Sedan located in Columbia, Missouri, with a bold presence and ready-to-drive capability. Under the hood, this Polara boasts a powerful 360 crate motor with low mileage, delivering smooth performance on the road. Painted a clean, attractive green, the exterior is in solid condition, complemented by new tires that add to its reliability. The vehicle's interior includes a reupholstered front seat, giving a fresh touch to its classic charm. Priced at $3,500, this Polara is an excellent value for those interested in vintage muscle cars. It's also available for trade for a 4x4 truck, offering flexibility for buyers looking to restore or simply enjoy this piece of Dodge history. More information is available in the description. Number 25, a true collector's item. This 1976 BMW 2002, located in Vancouver, Washington, brings German engineering excellence to the classic car lineup. This 2002 features a recently rebuilt motor paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, allowing it to run smoothly with minimal effort. With 185,000 miles on the clock, the car is in fair condition and could benefit from basic upkeep, such as fresh oil and a new battery. The clutch hydraulics need some attention due to storage wear, but overall, the car's body is in solid rust-free condition. Painted in a tasteful blue, this BMW 2002 is a rare find, priced at $3,500, and is ideal for a BMW enthusiast ready to restore a classic European gem. Additional details can be found in the description. Number 26. Next is a timeless project car, a 1958 Cadillac sedan DeVille with location details unspecified. Featuring a powerful 365 cubic inch engine, this sedan DeVille comes with most of its original parts, though it does require significant work on the floors, trunk, and rockers. Despite its age, the DeVille's body design and quarter panels remain in remarkably good shape, preserving much of its original beauty. Inside, the car retains a good portion of its original interior, and the vehicle was originally blue. Notably, it comes with rear climate controls, a unique feature that adds to its classic charm. Priced at $4,500 and sold with a bill of sale, this sedan DeVille is an ideal project for someone dedicated to restoring the luxury and style of a vintage Cadillac. For more information, check the description. Number 27. Here we find a rare 1971 Saab 95 wagon, located in Richmond, California, an appealing option for collectors of unique classic wagons. This Saab has been rust-free and kept in storage for over a decade. Prior to storage, it ran well, indicating that with some basic maintenance, it could be ready for the road once more. The body is in excellent condition for its age, although it will need fresh oil, gas, and attention to its clutch hydraulics to run smoothly. Priced at $2,800, this vintage wagon is a unique opportunity for Saab enthusiasts or those interested in restoring an uncommon piece of automotive history. More details can be found in the description. Number 28. Finally, we find a sought-after 1978 Datsun 280Z, located in Linwood, California, a gem in Japanese automotive history. With 37,687 miles on the clock, this 280Z features a solid body with minimal rust, offering an excellent foundation for restoration. The car is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine that starts with starting fluid, though it requires towing as it's not yet roadworthy. Priced at $3,900, this Datsun 280Z is perfect for a collector or restorer looking to bring this legendary model back to its former glory. Additional information is available in the description.